Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. One of the biggest retirement fears is running out of money too soon. But with Empower, you can simulate different portfolio depletion scenarios to stress test your plan. I'm going to show you exactly how to simulate portfolio depletion scenarios in retirement with Empower. Let's get into it. First point is to open Retirement Planner. So head to Empower's Retirement Planner tool under the Planning tab. This lets you model future incomes, spendings, and market outcomes. Next is to adjust spendings and lifespan. Now you can change assumptions like retirement age, expected expenses, or lifespan to see how quickly your portfolio might deplete. Next is to model markets volatility. So you can use Empower's recession simulator to stress test how downturns would impact your portfolio drawdowns over time. Next is to add income events. Now include pensions, social security, or downsizing your home to see exactly how extra income sources delay or reduce depletion risk. Next is to compare scenarios. Now Empower allows side-by-side comparisons like retiring at age 62 versus age 67 just to highlight how different choices is going to affect your portfolio's longevity. By running depletion simulation, you'll be able to know whether your retirement plan is sustainable and of course what changes could make it even stronger. But that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.